Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to pair any, headphones or any just Bluetooth device with your Motorola Edge 70 Fusion. As you guys can see, here I've got the AirPods. Doesn't matter if they're Apple or something like that. Just you need to hold here this button and your button to enter the pairing mode. So if you are sure that you're in the pairing mode of your Bluetooth device, open the settings. Scroll down to connected devices, pair the device, and make a pair by tapping on your device in the available devices list. Here are my headphones, here pair, and that's how to make the pair. If you want to unpair them, tap here this gear icon and forget. That's it. Hope it helps you and goodbye.